Hello, welcome to Sktacademy. I hope everything will be fine. In this video I will teach you how to create this amazing floor plan in AutoCAD. The plot size we will be working on is 42 feet by 75 feet. Let's create together. Before starting our drawing, we'll have to make two changes. First I will select my units, architectural, and then precision 1/4 inches. Then I will set my limits. Z enter and then E for extends. Then I will lock my UCS icon and then no. I will draw a rectangle 42 feet by 75 feet. I will take an offset of 9 inches. Then I will explode it. Let's draw our building. Take offset of 10 feet. Then offset 9 inches. Offset 7 feet. Then offset 9 inches. Let's trim it here. Offset 16 feet, then offset 9 inches, and take an offset of 14 feet on the x-axis, offset 9 inches. Let's fillet it. Offset 14 feet again, and then offset 9 inches, and then take offset of 2 feet from this side on the y-axis and then offset 9 inches. Let's fillet it first, again fillet it and fillet to this side. This area will be open and this area will be also as an open area. Offset 16 feet and then offset 9 inches. Let's fillet it first and take offset of 7 feet and then offset 9 inches. Again fillet it. If you want to have this open space a bit larger, then this offset may be 5 feet or 6 feet instead of 7 feet, but I think 2 feet space is enough. Open to sky space is enough for offset 11 feet and then offset 9 inches. Let's trim it first. Again take an offset of or I may be extend it like this, and then I will trim it. Let's fillet it like this. Now take offset of 10 feet for kitchen, then offset 9 inches. Let's fillet it, again fillet it and offset 12 feet on the y-axis, or you may take it 10 feet, offset 9 inches. Let's fillet it again like this. Now we'll take offset of 20 feet and again offset 9 inches. This will be our lounge and dining area. I'm making it a bit complex for the beginners, but this design will be a great design. Again offset 20 feet on the x-axis and then offset 9 inches like this. Let's fillet it first like this. Now we'll create a circle, but I will create a circle in the midpoint of this shape like this. And now take offset of 9 inches like this. Delete these lines. We'll have to set it, but first I am taking offset of 17 feet and then 15 feet. For the drawing room, offset 9 inches and offset 15 feet on the y-axis, and then offset 9 inches. Let's fillet it first. Let's extend these lines. This area will be used for stairs. I'm extended these lines. Let's trim it first like this, and I will take offset of 9 inches and then offset 6 feet and then offset 9 inches like this. Let's fillet it first and offset 6 feet again, offset 9 inches. So this is powder room. This place is for stairs, this is kitchen, and this area may be used for utilities and laundry, and this one is bath. Let's delete these lines first. Sorry, I'll fillet it. Trim this one, trim this one, trim this one, and trim this one. Also trim this one, like this. Now let's fillet this line and trim this one again, or you may extend it and then trim these lines. Sorry, you may do it like this, but I think this one will be okay. Now I will trim this area. First I will extend these lines, and I will extend this line. Trim it first. Like this. Or you may trim it from this place and delete this line and delete this line. Draw a line here, trim this one and trim this one, so this will look good. This area will be open to sky. Now take offset of 5 feet. First finish our drawing and then we will try to clean it up. 9 inches again, fillet it again, trim it, and now we'll have to clean our drawing. So trim, now I will draw a line here, take offset of 9 inches, sorry, delete this one again, offset 9 inches, and trim this one again. This will be our main entrance. Now take offsets for doors and windows. So first I will create stairs. Offset 8 inches, and extend all these lines, trim these lines, offset 2 inches to each side. Again fillet it first, now delete, just stretch this line, and now TR double enter and then F for fence, click here and enter, again TR double enter and then F enter, again F enter, and again F enter. Delete this line. I'll create again a line here, extend this line, trim, and then fillet it. Fillet again like this. Now for some reason I can chamfer this place, CHA enter and then depot distance 3 feet to each side, Control Z, CHA enter, D enter, 3 feet, again 3 feet, and then offset 9 inches. Or if you want this offset is not enough, then CHA enter, D enter, and then 4 feet, enter again, and then offset 9 inches. Fillet it. If you want to have a great design, you may do it like this. You also can make chamfer here, but I think this one is good. Or you may want to fillet it, F enter and then or for radius and then 3 feet, offset 9 inches, trim it, so it will be like this if you want, and if you don't want, then simple is good. Offset 4.5 inches. Let's create doors. Like this. offset 42, extend it first, and then trim. Now offset 3 feet, and extend it, trim it, offset 30 inches, and offset 30 inches, extend it, and then trim. Like this. Delete all these lines, trim it, draw a line, offset 2 feet to each side, delete this one, trim it, and you also can take offsets for windows that are attached to door. Draw a line, offset 18 inches to each side. This door will be 3 feet, like this. Now let's create windows, and then I will import doors from the design center. Draw a line, or you may take offset of 6 feet, offset 4.5 inches to have a bigger bath and a smaller dress. Extend it, I am making these designs, but these designs are editable. You can make changes as required, or as you want to change dimensions of doors, windows, room sizes. This is drawing for practices, so don't take it that much serious that you can't change it. These drawings are for beginners to learn the tools and the usage of tools of AutoCAD. Extend it and then trim. Offset 3 feet to each side, delete it, trim it, I'll join these lines, offset 9 inches, offset 3 inches, like this. Now ML style for multi-line style, create a new one, call it window, delete 3.5. This is the easiest and simple way that you can create windows. If you want to have complex shapes, then make your own design in AutoCAD and then place, scale it on every dimension of window, but it will take time, and for the sake of time and for making tutorials I can't make in this video. Later if I want, I will create a new style of windows that are a bit advanced than that. Offset 1 feet, delete, trim, offset 13 inches, trim it, ml or multi-line, offset 3 feet. For better ventilation, you must have windows placed everywhere in your drawing. ml or multi-line. Offset 3 feet again. I want a window here. Offset 2 feet to each side. Delete, trim, and then ml for multi-line. I also want a window here. Offset 2 feet to each side, delete, then trim, and then ml for multi-line. Now draw a line. This is our center point. Click here and again a line I want to this side. Offset 3 feet to each side. Delete this line and delete this line, and then offset 3 inches, again 3 inches for window. Delete these lines, again offset 3 inches and 3 inches. Let's trim it first. Delete this one. So for better ventilation, I have created 2 windows in my lounge, and this is also our dining room. This is our lobby. You also can create a window here. Set 3 feet to each side. Delete and trim. Now ml for multi-line. Offset 4.5 inches, offset 30, extend it, trim it. If you don't want to have a bath attached to drawing room, it's okay, then delete this one. Or if you want to have a larger one, then you must have this wall attached to the exterior walls of our drawing. This is upon you, that how you edit your drawing, how you created your drawing. delete, trim, and then ML Power multi line, offset 2 feet, draw a line, offset 2 feet, and draw a line. Now we'll import furniture and doors, windows, etc. Draw a line here and draw a line here. Let's fillet it. This will be our car porch, having 2 car porches. Actually you can place 2 cars here. Let's have dimensions of it. DI for distance 14 feet 9 inches. It's too much for car porch. Offset 1 feet, 1 feet, fillet it and then trim it. Offset 10 feet, offset 1 feet, and offset 1 feet again. Let's trim it. This will be our main door, main gate, sorry. Now for car porch, and this will be our lawn, this will be our courtyard. For car porch I want to have an offset of 10 feet, so offset 10 feet from here, extend it, extend it. Let's have a rectangle first. DI for distance, 1 feet, so I'll have a rectangle of 1 feet by 1 feet. Move it here, take a copy, we have 9 inches, but I will just move it here, place it in the right place, delete this one, and we have 2 rectangles. Like this. This will be our car porch, and if this is your ground floor, then on the first floor this will be our terrace. So Control 2 for design center, English US, and then we have design center, for example kitchen, blocks, and then import everything. Now we'll pause the video and we'll place all these stuffs in my drawing, and then we'll take copies for the first floor, and we will finalize our drawing by putting the layers and dimensions. So stay tuned. So I have set up everything. Now I'll take a copy for the first floor. On the ground floor we have 2 master bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 dining and lounge, and the one we have a drawing room. And in the first floor we will have 3 bedrooms, let's copy it, move to this side. Yeah, this everything is looking fine, but this area I don't want to have a closed one. So this will be a terrace number 2, this will be a terrace number 1, this area, and this one will be a terrace number 2. I don't want to have a kitchen on the first floor, so fillet it here, Control Z, delete these lines, delete all these lines, and I will fillet it here to this side. So I will delete all these lines like this, fillet one, delete it, delete it, and delete it. Delete this one also. I want a slider, sliding door and window, so join it, and we will have a sliding door and window in the center of this wall. Offset 2 feet to each side, delete this one, and then offset 3 feet again for window, ML for multiline, and draw line here, offset 2 inches, and again offset 2 inches. Let's trim it to this side and to this side. This will be a sliding door and will be above a terrace here, offset 2 inches, and we may have some design here. Let's fillet it, trim it like this. You may have another design here, and offset 2 inches, 2 inches, and 2 inches again fillet it, delete these lines like this, and another one here, offset 2 inches to each side, again offset to this side, fillet it like this. So this will be a terrace number 2, and this one will be terrace number 1. Let's create some text, and then we will create new layers and dimensions. Text, one feet, bath, move it here, and then copy, master bedroom, copy it, move it here, take a copy, like this, and take copy, I will pause the video to save your time. I have placed everything. Now create layers, LA for layers, and for each and every step you have to create a new layer. For text I will have a separate layer. Now give it a color. For text I will give it a red one. Now create a text and apply a layer on it, text, then map image property, Control Z, map image property, again map image property, select a text again, and then map image property again. Now select furniture, map image property, you may select a separate layer for each and every component of our drawing, but I think for the purpose of video and for saving your time, I'm creating one layer is enough. Now again a for layer, and for doors you have to select a brownish color, door, like this, map image property, for applying colors you will have to click on every single door, so your drawing will look amazing. Now at last you can apply dimensions on it, and if you want to create dimensions you can watch my previous videos. Very simple to create dimensions and then draw on it. Okay, I will create it. ST for textile first, new dem1, size will be 1 feet, and then apply it, close it. D for dimension style manager, new dem1. For example, you can give it another name if you want. ISO standard, the text column. Then in symbol and arrows you can apply architectural tick or dot, give it a size, and in the text you will have to select dimension 1 that we have already created in textile. Let's increase the arrow size and then extend beyond dimension lines and offset from the origin point. Okay, set current and then close, and DLI for dimension linear, and on this side we have 75. This is how you can create a modern floor plan in AutoCAD. Ground floor plan, and another one will be first floor plan. The next video will create its front elevation, and after that I will try to create a 3D of this amazing plan. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like it and share it. See you in next videos. Bye.